Good morning, children. Welcome back to our chapter 4, that is Physical Education and Sports for CWSN, that is Children with Special Needs. It is also known as Divyang. Today is our fifth part, and this is our last topic of the chapter, that is role of various professionals for children with special needs. Professionals. What are the various professionals? Various professionals like counselors, school counselors, then occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, and we can role of a speech therapist, special educators, etc. etc. These are the members which helps the children with special needs to do their activity in a proper way. First we'll see the role of a school counselor, that is counselor. A school counselor is a member of the education team who provides valuable assistance to the students. Counselor helps to achieve academic goals, social goals, personal goals, career development. Counselor also assists teaching staff with strategies to support students. Counselor also carries out developmental programs like stress management, conflict management, anger management, positive thinking. Counselor have special training in how to help kids solve problems and queries, make decisions, as well as stand up for themselves. School counselor is available for you and what to make your school experience the best it can be. The counselor's job is to take your child's problem seriously and help to find a solution. The counselor also wants to help your child learn as much as he or she can in class. Be a contributing member to the school community and be a positive influence on the environment. Now, second one is role of occupational therapist. An occupational therapist helps children with special needs in performing self-care skills like eating, dressing, bathing and grooming. It also helps to develop fine motor skills and works on hand-eye coordination to help in participating with other firm. Occupational therapist regulates healthcare as well as they help teachers and parents better understanding and help these children success with everyday activities. For children with special needs, both occupational therapist and physical therapist, that is OT and PT, can play an important role in helping children develop motor and life skills. The goal is to help improve the child's participation and performance in daily activities and to promote overall independence. The next topic is role of physiotherapist. Physiotherapy is an applied healthcare profession which promotes the health and well-being of all. It aims to help maximize movement and function when someone is affected by injury, illness, developmental delay or other disability. The physiotherapist is concerned with the gross motor skills and mobility of a child. Now, this physiotherapy is a treatment in school. Minimize absence from school for therapy and provide opportunity for the therapist to discuss and give appropriate advice for handling and supporting the growing and changing child in the school environment. It ensures a multidisciplinary, holistic approach and ensures children are able to access the national curriculum. The physiotherapy aims to concentrate on the problem that affect muscles, bones and circulation. It also aims to evaluation of movement and functions. Although the fundamental role of a physiotherapist is to work closely in partnership with people with disability and their families, careers to address their needs and improve outcomes. Many types of physical disability require initial rehabilitation as well as long-term therapy support these services. Now next one is role of physical education teacher. A physical education teacher determines the ability of the students and identify the measures to implement to support their participation in sports and fitness. Physical education teachers, commonly known as physical training instructor, that is PTI or PE teachers, are responsible for the education of primary and secondary school students in physical activity and psychomotor learning. Generally, physical education teachers instruct students in variety of physical activities relevant to curriculum requirements, while teachers are typically allowed to create their own course syllabus. Those outlines must adhere to school guidelines as well as the curriculum standards set out by governing bodies in the state, region or country. A physical education teacher helps students with special needs to improve physical fitness, hand-eye coordination, flexibility, then muscular strength, then cardiovascular efficiency. Role of speech therapist. A speech therapist in school provides treatment, support and cares for students with special needs who have difficulties in communication. Speech therapist helps and provide training to overcome fluency disorders like stoppages, repetition or prolonging sounds. The last one is special educators. The main role of special education teacher is to provide instruction and support which facilitates the participation of students with disabilities in the regular classroom. They serve as case managers and be responsible for the development, implementation and evaluation of students.